So this is my new old tractor, same model as previous, but little bit nicer. It has a big cabin, so I have lots of room. As usual, it's older machine, so it has some things to tinker with, but nothing major. Everything works. Today I tried it out the first time with this little flail mower. So PTO works, gears works, engine works, and because of that I'm happy. First few things that I corrected once it arrived. It had a little leak on one injector, nothing major, just needed to tighten it up. And now the only thing that I need to do is sort of handbrake. It doesn't work as I would like to. Quite mandatory thing that needs to be working. Best thing about this is that it has all documentation and it's road legal. It has insurance and everything, so it's very nice to go to field over roads, and you don't need to worry about police or whatever. So this is it. When I'm going to do some work with it, I think I'm bringing my camera to the field, and I think first thing is this underdimensioned flail mower that is going to be do some work, a little bit over 4 hectares, and after that maybe plowing, maybe cultivating, or something. So thank you.